Hello, folks. My name is Detroit Miracle. Yep, and I must admit that I'm coming to you from a very dark and naturist night. The world started off 100% naturist and wild. But when man set his designs on this world, it started to become more industrialized. Yes, it did, people. When you think about it, nature 100% is deemed non progressive for humanity. Yeah, mankind sees no accommodations and recreations or job opportunities inside of something which is completely of nature, being that where there is an entire world consisting of grass, trees, plants, forest. Yes, just picture that in your mind, it being the case where there is no buildings, no homes, no parks, no factories, no plants, no no recreations, themes. Picture that. That means that nature in itself is an entire encompassing and surrounding presence over a vast area. So man sees potential in that. He sees land in that. He sees opportunity in that for advancement purposes as well as for profit and prosperity. So there goes up many types of forms of industrialization. So the roads must be paved and concrete, of cement. Homes and businesses must be built up of brick, wood, granite, stone, marble, and anything else that you could put into it for purposes of removing nature of an entirety. Some would say, why do that? Well, it is in man's heart, it is in man's soul, it is by man's design to industrialize any and everything that he or she sees fit to do for prosperity's sake, because again, to humanity, 100% nature is non progressive. Well, I will explain that, people, because people are wondering, what do you mean non progressive? Well, they see limits to or restrictives to or barriers to or preventatives to everything being 100% of trees, forest, grass, weeds, and anything else that constitutes nature in itself. There's only so much you can do with that, but they see a multitude of benefits in industrializing things and building up on that nature, in that nature, and around that nature. Yeah, people, you must understand it. But there are limits to what man can do in regards to removing naturists for industrialization, such as in the case with the sky. Man cannot touch the sky, transform the sky, change the sky, remove the sky. The sky is an ever constant remaining naturist presence. Yeah, folks. Yeah, man can chop down a whole lot of trees, pick up a whole lot of weeds and flowers, and put a whole lot of cement over the ground, which has dirt on it and in it. But the sky is furthest removed from man's designs and devices. Yeah, man can build stuff to travel through the sky. Mankind can be amongst the sky. Mankind can envision the sky, but they can never take the sky away for industrialization's sake. So, in the beginning and in the end, nature is an ever constant and remainder. No matter how much industrialization builds around it and forms around it. Another thing, the very lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans are most definitely nature in its entirety in another shape and form. And the world is mostly water. So man can build up around those very bodies of water, but he or she cannot remove that, which is fluid. Yeah, nature dominates the sky, it dominates the waters, and it dominates the land somewhat, but not of an entirely so regarding its presence because of people's desire to build things on it, near it, and encompassing nature. Well, folks, I got my bird's eye view of nature, and I hope you'll do the same, but appreciate it for what it is and what it gives you. Oh, so remarkable. Well, I'd appreciate it if you give me those likes, comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Peace out.